In today's video, I'll show you how to create folders in Canva and share them with your team for better collaboration. Start by logging into Canva and heading to the Projects section on the left. Click Add New and select Folder. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name so your team immediately knows what's inside. Next, open the folder and click Add Designs to move your existing projects into it. Browse your designs, select the ones you want and hit Move. This organizes all related content in one place for easy access. Finally, click Share, enter your team members' email addresses and hit Share Folder. Now your team can access and collaborate on all the designs in that folder seamlessly. And that's it. Quick, simple, and super effective for keeping your team organized in Canva